Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel dear viewers. In front of me Epson ET 2650 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to print using the micro SD card. So first, of course, we need to enable our device. Then you need to have the micro SD card, but you need to insert it in the normal CD card adapter. Great. Now insert it in the Epson printer. I can't do it. Why? Okay, I can do it. And when you will insert it, here you will see the green light. And cool. Then just click print photos. Here you will see the photos on your Epson device. For example, this photo. I don't know. I can choose any photo I want. Click on it. Then choose paper size with borders, without borders. Click print and wait a while. Printing photos using CD card is the best way to print photos, because if you wanna print the photo using the Wi-Fi connection or other type of connection, it can compress your file and reduce the quality of the picture. But using the CD card printing, it will save the quality and make it in the better way. So great, picture was successfully printed. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.